Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to open up a blank Google Doc to complete the social studies assignment using PebbleGo Next. So the first thing you're going to do is scroll down on the page for the social studies assignment until you see the link that says click here to type your answers in a Google Doc. Once you see that, click on that. So I'm going to do that. And that's going to take you to Google Docs. So you want to open up a new blank document. So you're looking for that plus sign at the top of the page and click on that. Once you click on that, you've got your new untitled document. So the first thing you want to do once you get in is give it the title. So you're going to put your name. I'm typing mine. And then you're going to call it PA for Pennsylvania, PebbleGo, or you can say PebbleGo Next. Either one is fine. As long as you've got PebbleGo on it, I'll know what the assignment is when I'm checking through it. All right, so you've got the document open, you've got the title on it. Now you're ready to set it up to start answering the questions. All you have to do is press the number 1, press the period, and then press the space bar. Let me click in the right place so that you can see that. So you're pressing the number 1, then you're pressing the period, then you're pressing the space bar. And if you saw what happened when I clicked the space bar, that number 1 in the period actually got formatted. It tabbed over, so every number after it is going to do the same thing. So once you're ready to answer number 1, you're going to go back to Schoology, so I'll click to that tab, and you're going to use this link that says click here to get on PebbleGo Next. And that's going to open up the article that's titled Pennsylvania. So when you're looking through this article, pay attention to the headings because those headings match up with the questions. Once you've got an answer, you're going to go back to your Google Doc and type it in. You don't have to use complete sentences for this one because it's kind of long. But once you've got your first answer, let's say the answer to number 1 is oceans. It's not, but this is just an example. Once you've written your response for number 1, all you have to do is press the enter return key and look what happens. Your number 2 is automatically there. If you were to do it again, let's say the answer to number 2 is forests. Press the enter return key. Look what happened again. You didn't have to type the number 3. It was already there. Once your answers are complete, you've got all of the questions answered for this research assignment. You're going to press this share button that I'm circling in the top right hand corner. That's how you share the document with me. So I'm going to click that. And then you can start typing in ALR until you see my name. If you don't see my name after you type in ALR, you're going to have to type in my whole email address. So let me close this. You're going to have to type in alrobinson@upperdarbysd.org. Only if you're sending this to me from a personal Gmail account. If you're in your school Gmail account, you can type in ALR and then my name will pop up right away and you can click on it that way. Either way, once you've got my email in the people box, then you're ready to click send. And I'll get an email notification that you completed your assignment and you're ready for me to check on it. All right, so that's it for this video. Good luck finding the answers to these questions.